Polyalo 15-inch contour gauge with adjustable lock. Contour duplication gauge profile tool. Precisely copy a regular shape duplicator for DIY handyman. Construction, corners. The cabinet cloth is made of durable aluminum and comes with adhesive protective felt pads that you can install over the alignment plate. Also included in the package is the instruction manual to use this clamp. Simply slide it onto the front rails of your cabinets and use the first group to tighten the jaws and then tighten the second screw to make the cabinets aligned. We recommend using 2 cabinet claws for each set of cabinets. You'll save time and energy in all of your cabinet installations. Use the guide hole to drill a 1/8 inch diameter hole 1/4 inch into the second rail. Flip the guide hole open and screw the cabinets together.
Woodpeckers precision woodworking tools, but it's wider than the edge you're trying to measure, preventing you from marking without breaking alignment. And you can still struggle to keep the rule parallel to the edge while working on the face of the workpiece. Woodpeckers' new Woodworker's Edge rule eliminates these issues by wrapping around the edge of your stock with an accurate scale on both sides, while the long side reaches 3/4 inch across the face of your piece. Whether you're working on the edge or the face, the corner of the edge rule always keeps you properly aligned. Use the Woodworker's Edge rule to measure from inside corners by keeping your scale square to your stuff and starting flush at the edge. Mark the edge and face at the same dimension by placing the desired dimension at the end. Woodriver No. 1 Bench Hand Plane V3. Ductile iron castings with fully machined frog. Soles and sides are machined flat and square, lightly finished Bubinga tote and knob. Woodriver is proudly made by Woodcraft, America's leading supplier of saws, planes.
Bessey Duo 65A 24-in. DuoKlamp Series 1 hand clamp/spreader. Spring clamps are a staple in just about every home and shop. But their clamping force is fixed and can fade over time as the spring or the clipping series of ratcheting hand clamps from Bessey allow you to apply exactly the pressure needed for the task at hand.
Three-in-one multifunction drill depth measuring gauge woodworking tool. Multifunction. It is convenient to measure the angle of the drill bit to ensure the accuracy of drilling.
This set features 5 micro-tools, comfortable ergonomic Lee design nationals, and high-carbon steel blades, all made in the USA. Our micro-tools are perfect for miniatures and detailing. They also clean up ridges created by gouge cuts, and refined high corners, perfect for carving fine details like mouths and eyes and adding fur and feather texture. Ryobi 18-volt 1. Automatic kickstand prevents marring of workpiece. Cuts up to 1/16 of an inch per pass at full width for maximum versatility. Convenient on-board blade wrench storage. Battery and charger sold separately. Durable, made of premium aluminum alloy, sturdy, not deformed, resistant to rust and corrosion. Ace makes it possible to use the power and convenience of Kreg bench clamps on any work surface, so you can create a versatile clamping station almost anywhere. The bench clamp base is a perfect companion to the Kreg Mobile Project Center, and it allows you to get more from any work surface that's equipped with 3/4 inch or 20 mm bench dog holes, or you can simply drill a hole in any work surface and easily attach the bench clamp base. 20 free installation. Long as you to set up the bench clamp base and just slip the anchor bolt through the hole and tighten the locking knob slide of crate bench clamp into the base, and you're all set, and you can move or store away the bench clamp base just as quickly, so it's there when you need it and out of the way when you don't.